So we got the new Black Diamond JetForce Pilot 11 here at Skinny Skis, and we'll go through a couple of the features real quick on the pack. We really wanted to start and kind of focus on functionality of the pack. This is what you're going to be using every day when you're out skiing. So we've got a bunch of really nice features on here where we've got our high-low helmet carrying system, so you can strap your helmet up on the top of the pack, or you can run it here down on the bottom, and that way you can access your diagonal ski carry that runs here from the tail of the skis up to the tip. So you get a nice diagonal system, and the airbag will still deploy. On the front side here, you've got our tool pocket. So this is where you'll find your charging kit so that you can recharge the JetForce. It also has a adapter for European use. You get a little zip pocket, and then you get your shovel blade, shovel handle, and probe. The main pack is going to be accessed here through the back panel, and that's where you got your main storage. It's also where you access the battery and how you're going to recharge the pack. There's a little AC adapter in there to plug in, and this is where your airbag is stored, as well as the fan system. So the idea behind JetForce was really to move away from canisters and take advantage of having an unlimited air supply outside the pack so that we can focus on practice as well as multiple deployments, and then continue to add air into the system if you happen to suffer a tear or a puncture during the slide. We'll get a quick demo going here, and you can see one in action. I'll just clean it up here a little bit, and we'll get it fired up. Now we got the pack off. To turn it on, we're going to press down the button on the bottom side of the handle for about 3 to 4 seconds. We got 2 out of 4 lights, so we got 50% battery. And the pack just did its self-check. So it ran the fan in reverse, and it just did a quick check on the electrical system. Everything's good to go, ready to deploy. We've got a green blinking light, so we know we're armed and ready to go. When it's time to deploy the bag, we just go ahead and give a rip on the handle. Volume for up to 3 minutes. In a few seconds here, the airbag is going to run the fan in reverse. That's going to evacuate out about 90% of the air, and that should create a little bit of space if you end up partially buried, and if nothing else, it's just going to make it a little bit easier for you to pack it up and get on with your ski day. All the air out. I brought the zipper from the right hand side back around, started it, and now we just go ahead and stuff it through. Run the zipper up behind it. Nothing fancy. And when you get to the end here, you're going to notice that there's an open-ended zipper, so you just want to make sure and just run that off the end. And then on the inside here, there's a little pull tab, and that'll reset the locking mechanism for the clip. Snap it in place, and good to go. Still got a blinking green light here, so we're ready to discharge again if we needed it.